I want to talk to the person who was where I was 2 years ago. I've had some success in the past. I'm a provider, but you look at your bank account now and you're just not where you feel your worth is, and you're that person that would give your last to take care of your family. You've tried these different online opportunities before. You've seen the hype for things and you're just tired of it. And you just want a real proven system and to be with a community that really wants to see you succeed. And that's where I was before. A bit about me, I'm a dad. I live in New York City. Most of my life, I just based everything on music because I wanted to be a songwriter. I even worked in the music industry for a little bit, met my wife through music. And when that phase of my life went away, because like the TV show I worked for, they went off air, it was like everything just went downhill so fast. It got to the point where we had to sell some of our stuff on Craigslist just to pay the bills. I started working with children with developmental disabilities. My younger sister has Down syndrome, and I love the work, but they don't pay good. So it wasn't like the freedom that I wanted to create for my family. So I didn't want to do anything illegal, New York City. So I just started like grinding, just however I could creative, helping people who were moving out of the city. I started selling used books to bookstores. And then from there, I looked into digital marketing because I didn't want to sell physical products anymore. Like it's, that just the strain of physical products. So I looked into digital marketing. I tried so many different products. And I just knew that I needed a system and an actual community of people who would be there for me. This is when I found this program. And Michelle, I actually witnessed when you made that $1 million just following a step-by-step blueprint. I found that I tried that same blueprint, and the problem was it didn't give that extra support and that community guidance that people needed. So it was like some people would get it, some people would just be left on their own. And so I wanted to help. I was getting, because I just wouldn't give up, I was getting results, but I wanted to see my people win. And it was like, man, what am I going to do for them? And I would just see your community, just everybody on there, just everyone's just winning. I'm like, oh my goodness, I want to be a part of that. So when you came out with the Legacy Builders program, I jumped in right away and I already believed in you at this point. So I just followed your guidance. In the first 30 days, I made $12,600. In 90 days, I made 30,000. And it's just proof that it's possible. So I know there's people that watch when they see people share their results, they want to know, will it work for them? And what I can share is I wanted to do music. If somebody can go from songwriting to having to sell their stuff on Craigslist to then being able to come back, and I was able to get my wife all the things like we replaced, which is great. It just shows that if you stay committed, you can do this. And I just want to thank you, Michelle, because like when people talk about commitment, like you show up you're going live. There's been times when you weren't feeling well and you still went live for the community. And so it's like practicing what you preach to the 10th power. It's like even times when I don't want to go live, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go live just to learn these skills because so many people, they want to know what the product is, or they're worried about if you're trying to take advantage of people. But the skills that we learn are what make us attractive no matter where we go. So that's my story, and I just appreciate you so much.
Oh man, thank you so much for taking the time and sharing. It's been awesome, and congratulations
Thank
on
you.
your success and for just helping so many people. Appreciate you so much.